Today is my dog's 14th birthday, and we're gonna be giving him the best day ever. First order of action, we gotta give him a bath. It's his birthday shower. We got them some new shampoo and conditioner. They're gonna be smelling really good. You want first? Oh.
Do with you first so we can get it on. So cool. Caln.
Time for Wookie spot.
Knock it out! Get it right here. Oh! Yeah, it's getting there, kid.
So we got the dogs all packed up and we're ready to go on a walk.
King of the world.
Wookie, it's okay.
Good dog? Crazy dog.
Why?
Shut your face hole. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. He's still shaking. I do just Charros.
So we're here at the river walk, a little walking trail. We're gonna take the dogs for a walk. A fur take down.
He acts like a girl dog. I'm Rookie's favorite. See? Oh.
Oh, he's pooping.
Oh,
he's
no.
pooping. It's a trash can. You better not stop in that trash can. Ah!
And stop. Okay, bud, let's go.
We're going back now. It was a very short walk, but the dogs are very hot and tired. But we got a lot of more exciting things to do today. My beautiful girlfriend helping me walk the doggies and record.
There.
Ah!
Come on. Dum-dum.
Getting water for doggies. Oh wow, he is worn out.
I mean, you want wine.
Oh hey. Ah.
It's crooked.
Look at Wookie, he's so worn. Look at his thumb.
Should he? Drink water, Wookie. It's water. I was like, okay, I will. I'm gonna give it.
So we went to ChickfilA and they said they weren't supposed to give us one, but one lady said that she would, but they gave us ice cream instead. So we'll get them the pup cup. Well, I mean ice cream.
Charros. Charros. He's not getting chicken quick.
This is how you feed.
It's your dog. That's I don't want him to be like, nyah, nyah, nyah.
You want the movie?
Woody.
Oh, you get the fry.
Charros.
He's so shitty.
Come in, Charlie. He's shot. Charlie, look at this. They are sniffing here.
Fatties.
Which one do you want? Do you want this one? Charlie, do you want this one right here? Oh, I think he wants this one. Look at him.
You see how those bones are as big as him.
That's like eating you. That's like eating Wookie.
Oh. I think you're having more fun with them.
Huh?
I said I think you're having more fun than them.
Charlie, look at the fish. Oh, look at the fish. Wow. Look at all these fishes. Whoa. Look at all the fishes. He got hair all over me. Look at the animals. So we just had a very successful trip at Pet Supermarket. Let's show them what we got. You
We
can show them.
got some chewy peanut butter and apple treats. And then we got just some bones. Because Charlie likes bones. He's so excited.
He's a fatty. He didn't want no toys. He just wanted all the food. He's so tired. Oh. We let the dogs go potty, and we're gonna wait for friends to get here. I think I might have just gotten a good thumbnail.
Charlie!
That looks like a Charlie.
Woody.
Wow. Tree, bro.
You know, I got a Charlie on my shirt. Yeah, I remember Nolan's the only one that would actually wear it.
I used to wear it. I wear it sometimes.
Does he smell okay-ish?
Yeah, he's not shed neither.
Caln like de-shedded him in the car.
He's not really cool with anybody, he's just like accepted that he can't kill them.
Like in a big container.
A beef patty.
Yes,
Yeah, like
burgers.
freeze dried. And Charlie just like snapped them in there.
Are you gonna catch it? About these.
You more of a Markiplier guy, Jack Chris kind of guy, or do you like that? Because he's the guy that like checks your check now. There's something to do with like a gift card at Walmart, and he like apparently got like 3 people fired. They'll say, "Who's gonna buy? Who's gonna buy?" He believe it? He does not reek. Everybody loves it when a white boy catches a white boy dog.
You catch Charlie?
You ever like fake piss corpses?
Let's see which one he picks.
If you done that, really, I don't want to see we got.
Ah! I think I
I'm just above it's gonna pick. Yeah, he knew he ain't ready for the challenge.
Ah! Charlie. Which one?
See, he's only picking because that's the first one he likes. He doesn't even know the other one exists.
Thank you guys so much for watching. In the comment section below, wish Charlie a happy birthday. And what did you say, Charlie? Charlie, come here. You have a good day today? Yeah. it look like he